it will 100% work. I don't make any fake video. So before doing that, you will have to go to your Play Store, and then here you can see 3 line, so click on it, and then here you can see the Play Protect, so click on it, and you will have to uncheck it. Okay, you will have to uncheck it. So after doing that, you will have to go to your any kinds of browser. Sorry, you'll have to go to your any kinds of browser, and then type here www.spysetup.com. okay, and click on the search icon. Then you will be redirected to these kinds of page, and here you can see the download free Android Spy, so click on it. And if you face these kinds of security questions, so don't need to be worried, because this is a spying app, so it must show these kinds of security. So click on the details here, and then here you can see the visit this unsafe site. You don't need to be worried, it will 100% work, but it shows these kinds of security. Okay, so here you can see the download. So after doing that, you will have to click on the download option, and it will 100% work. You don't need to worry about that. Okay, so here you can see I have already downloaded, so let me install it, and click on the install, and you can see that it says update manager. Okay, so you don't need to worry. And after installing this software, you will have to click on the open, and these apps you can hide. Okay, your girlfriend cannot able to understand. Okay, so here you can see click on the accept, and improve stability, click on the accept, and here you can see enter your email. Okay, I got, and so click on the activate, and then here you can see enter your email and re-enter. Okay, so let me choose my email. Okay, after giving your email, click on the complete installation. Okay, you will have to give your email, not your girlfriend email. Okay, and you will be wait, please just wait. And here you can see installation completed. Okay, the application was successfully installed. Please check your email. If you do not receive an email within a few minutes, please check your spam folder or contacts as. Okay, so you will have to go to your email now. I mean, let me show my email, Gmail. Okay, so in here they will give one kinds of link. Okay, so in that email you will get your password and your user ID. So let me wait, please. Okay, here you can see I got an email from free Android Spy. So let me open it. You will have to get these types of email. Okay, you will also get. So wait, please. And here you can see actually email and my password. Okay, so let me back again, and you will have to get back again and type here www.setup. Okay, here you can see the address setup.com login, so search on it, and then here you can see the second option. Okay, not first option, free Android private area, so click on it. And here you can see email and password, so you will have to give your those email again. Okay, when you created account. So let me choose my email and password, and I enter my email and password. This password you get from your email. Okay, so let me log in. And after logging, you can see all kinds of call history, SMS history, address books, GPS location, image, videos file, and install apps. Okay, so let me see my SMS history. Actually it takes some time. If you don't get these types of history, that time you will have to wait. Okay, so here you can see all kinds of SMS I will got, and call history also I don't open because that's my private. And image, if you don't get image, you will have to wait for 30 minutes or more than minutes. And that's it, guys. If you face any kinds of problem, then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you. And if you